Okay, here's an attempt by me to show you what that kind of A star response might look like in a literature exam, and this is just maybe one paragraph, but this is a piece of writing about one quote. Okay, so it's showing you really that you've got to talk a lot about a little to get into that top set of bands. And I've just followed really my advice from the other clip, step by step. Close textual analysis, being exploratory, trying to be insightful, trying to be evaluative as well in terms of my analysis. So this is an example looking at one quote from Of Mice and Men, okay, which I think is from chapter 1. George's dialogue, "Guys like us are the loneliest guys in the world," is particularly emotive. The superlative adjective loneliest connoting isolation, sadness and loss of any sense of happiness during the Great Depression. The repetition of the plural noun guys places emphasis on the idea of men being weak and lonely, at odds with the stereotypes of masculine strength, and syntactically the line ending with the noun world heightens the image of loneliness through hyperbole, a key theme in the novel. In addition to showing George and Lenny's dependency on one another, it also develops our view of migrant society as a whole, therefore making the characters in the novel symbols of American society itself, consequently helping Steinbeck's aim of ensuring his readers realise the realities of working people's lives at the time. Perhaps it is possible to take the view that Steinbeck focuses too much on the suffering of white males in the novel, at expense to black Americans and women. But I feel that because white males were seen as strong people at the time, Steinbeck's aim was to destroy this myth, and in doing so highlight the suffering of all peoples within society. So that would be just one of your 3 or 4 paragraphs, I suppose, doing some close analysis of an extract, or maybe this is talking about, the wider novel as a whole. It doesn't really matter. What it's trying to show you is you've got to be detailed in unpicking and analysing a single quote. You can't just move from one quote to another if you're going to aim to get to that top band response.